Hello, my name is Jennifer Moore, Director SAP Solution Sales at CENIT North America, and welcome to the third video of our short series on SAP PSM. Today I'll walk through an overview of how to visualize any product configuration of a variant-rich product with SAP 3D Visual Enterprise. For newcomers, I will briefly step through why we want to implement SAP Product Structure Management. Driving factors are the need to manage a rapidly growing variety of products, keyword lot size 1, of course the widespread thinking in platforms and product families, and the increasing internal complexity of today's products. Of course, there's a growing percentage of electronics and software, and the economic necessity to reuse components and solutions. SAP PSM now enables us to take on all of these challenges and manage the entirety of a product efficiently and effectively in just one structure. Variant configuration bridges the gap between the entire product family and the specific products. The possibilities of SAP 3D VE are also integrated in SAP Product Structure Management and enable us to take a look on the fly at the configured product or parts, and much more. With the help of SAP 3D Visual Enterprise in SAP PSM, we are able to visualize any consistent configuration, visually compare different configurations, create different views of the product through a selection of cameras and rendering modes, and of course also access the complete palette of SAP 3D VE Viewer functions, such as zooming, rotating, and panning. You can also view cross-sections, take measurements, and create exploded views, use redlining and markup features for collaboration, and have access to product and production information, the PMI, such as tolerances, dimensional data, and comments. Our example for this again is our small car air conditioner, which served as an example in our last two videos. As you may recall, we see here a product structure with 16 possible and 4 valid product variants. Of course, this is a deliberately simple model. You may remember the actual configuration from our video on configuration and object dependency maintenance in SAP PSM. So here we're sticking to that well-known example. We've got an air conditioner with 2 climate zones. We see the cover selected based on our configurations, the electronic selection, there's of course still 2 possible, and the actual cooling unit. We're not going to add the navigation function, and we also know which display we need and which electronics I can exclude. In this representation, you can see a picture is worth 1,000 words. All right. Let's take a look at how SAP 3D Visual Enterprise supports you in SAP Product Structure Management. As you can see, I prepared our example in our air conditioning already. The F10 AC is open in SAP Product Structure Management. For clarification, we see our cover options again, with a function for 1 or 2 climate zones and the display unit with or without GPS, also a simulation, aka a configuration. I've chosen according to the example from the slides at the beginning. Just a unit with 2 climate zones without the GPS. I'm activating the simulation. Then I'm going to end editing the simulation and see that I have here exactly the cockpit that I need. And I also have exactly the display that I need. Now I want to look at the whole thing in 3D. I'll go over here to the digital mockup function and choose what I want to report. In this case, just what is defined here by the configuration, and load that data into my 3D viewer. And then we're going to see here instantly our configured air conditioner with the controls for the 2 climate zones without the GPS display option. And for demonstration purposes, I'll load a different configuration, the device with just 1 climate zone. Let me go back to editing the simulation, choose the appropriate one, which in the end is just the configuration. And for this one, I want just 1 zone with a normal display. In other words, without the GPS function. I mean, we're all using Waze anyway, so we stay with the US version, even if it doesn't make a visual difference. And now here I have my simulation, and I see that it's already activated. I'll close this editing window again, expand these nodes, and here I see the corresponding elements are selected. I now expect the variant with controls for 1 climate zone and the display unchanged on the cover, which is of course the standard display. I'm going to go back to the digital mockup, select what I want to display, load it into our viewer, The air conditioning system with a control element for exactly one climate zone. No GPS. And in a nutshell, that's it. That's what it looks like to visualize products from our product structure in 3D Visual Enterprise Viewer. As always, we'll round out our session with the benefits offered by utilizing SAP PSM. Of course, it ensures increased data integration between the different technical disciplines and promotes cooperation and efficiency in product development. The SAP PSM product structure represents a comprehensive, single source of truth for all product-dependent information and can be an important step on the way to the digital twin and digitalization. In this way, SAP PSM also enables the R&D and engineering departments to focus on new product innovations and alleviates the need for engineers to serve as the only contact for all product-related data. By supporting all possible downstream processes with the best possible product data, product quality can also be increased. The existence of a centralized product structure further promotes a simplified and more transparent change and release management process. I do hope this provided a great first impression of the benefits of utilizing SAP 3D Visual Enterprise in variant configuration with SAP Product Structure Management. Thanks so much for your attention. If you're interested in additional information on SAP PLM, please check out our YouTube channel where you'll find the entire series on SAP PSM and more. If you have further questions or a topic you'd like us to cover, simply contact CENIT North America at info@cenit.com or our sister company Caristo at myquestion@caristo.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.